Hello guys, hey, welcome to our channel, or welcome back. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you've been following along with us, then you will have seen this yard before. This yard, we've been calling it the cottage. It's a gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful property. It's probably, like, I love every single one of our properties, but this is probably one of my favorite ones, you know, as far as like,
the setting.
Yeah, the setting. It's just like, I don't know, it just gives you you feel really cool when you're driving up into here and you're just surrounded by these big giant mountains and stuff. But yeah guys, there's a good bit of weed eating here. And today guys, today's Thursday and we only got one mower with us today. We got Harley's mower because we're just doing 2 yards. This one and then another yard that we do every single Thursday. The one yard, if you guys haven't seen the video where that says our customer had something to say, that was him. So he's super awesome, guys. We mow his yard every single week, but this yard is a bi-weekly yard, so we're only here every other week. But yeah guys, so it should be a super quick, pretty good day. There's just a good bit of weed eating at this yard, but not so much at the next yard. But
and hopefully we can fly the drone at this yard because we haven't got to do that yet.
Yeah, because last time it was raining. Yeah, and there is a lot of trees around here, guys. So we have to be super careful, you know. So it was very windy one day, and so we've just because we flew it into the tree one time. So guys, if you hadn't seen that video, go back and watch that. It's at the very end of the video where you don't even see us flying into there, but you hear us talking about it. But yeah guys, we're gonna try to get you set up, and yeah, we gotta start. Gotta get started. So come on guys, let's go mow. Okay, guys. I'm thankful that it's shady here at this yard, but I am still sweating. Harley's over here. He's doing a really good job mowing this side yard. Okay, if you've been following along, then you already know there's this piece over here on this side of this creek, and I'm weed eating it instead of, you know, mowing it, because for one, like, we cannot get our mower over it because it's blocked off. You know, there's a gate there, or fence, and then, you know, another fence and stuff there, and it's just too wide, too deep. We don't have any kind of, you know, any kind of boards or anything or nothing. Like, it wouldn't be worth it for us to try to get our mower across. But I think I seen maybe in the comments or something that some people were asking how come we didn't push mow this or something, but honestly, guys, I am just much quicker on the weed eater than I am the push mower. And the push mower that we did have, if you followed along with us, if you watch, guys, if you hadn't been, go back and watch all of our videos, please. But the overgrown yard video that we did, our push mower completely died on that yard. It didn't even mow. It didn't even mow anything there. Like Harley, him and his Superman strength, he was trying to crank it, and he, you know, he gave it, you know, the first couple of pulls was like, you know, regular, everything. I could tell he was getting a little, like, frustrated at it, and he pulled that thing and parts went flying everywhere. So R.I.P. to the push mower, man. It was a good one. but yeah, he really didn't go on many jobs, I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, I gotta really kind of quit talking now. I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere. I'm not gonna film it in real time, which I did before. Last time I was here, I did film it in real time just to see how fast, you know, or how long it took me or whatever. And it was 6 minutes, so I felt like that was pretty good for, you know, this area. You know, it's not that big, but you guys see, it's pretty decent size or whatever. But the longer I stand here and talk, I might as well add these minutes here on my time. So yeah, I'm probably gonna set you up across. This is kind of like, you know, it's like a dry creek or whatever. It's an overflow. You know, you know, if it's raining a lot, there'll be water in it, but it doesn't keep water in it. But yeah, guys, I got this big, huge tripod. Yeah, that's it over there. But if you've been following along, you've seen me do this before. Nothing new. But yeah, guys. All right, so we got to do it now. Come on, let's go mow. Alrighty, guys. Okay. Woo, we are sweaty now. Even though this yard is shady, it's still hot. Yeah. Oh man, and guys, so one of that commented on our videos, they were from Texas.
Oh my
they
goodness,
said they were 111 days. I could not even imagine. But people tell that to us all the time too. You know, they're like, I don't see how y'all do it. But I guess, you know, if it's your area, you just get used to it. But guys, man, I'm telling you, that's something. You guys, that's impressive to me out there in the 111. But yeah, guys, we just finished this up. We might have just gained another subscriber to our customer here. So if you're watching this video, hello, thank you so much. Thank you for letting us mow your yard. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to think. Oh, I was gonna tell you, I looked at the clock. I looked at the first clip when we first got here. It was 1:40. And then the last clip, right when you come over, it was 2:40. So I was like, man, it was right on the dot. Like, took us 1 hour to do this, which I feel like was pretty good. Yeah. Honestly, because there's a good bit of weed eating here. But that's okay. You know, we do a lot of weed eating. If you've been following along, you already know that. Yeah. I feel like I was going to tell you guys something else, but I forgot. If I remember, I'll tell you at the next yard. But yeah, guys, come on, let's get on out of here. Let's ride. Alrighty guys, hello. We are at the second and last yard of the day. I did remember, yeah, because we just did 2 yards. I remember what I was going to say earlier because I was telling you the time when we got there, and you might have been wondering, well, if that was your first yard and you only had 2 yards today, why were you starting at 140? You know, like if you've been following along, then you know, but if you're new, then you don't know. So Harley has another job that he works in the morning times sometimes. Like he, you know, it's like, you know, if he needs to take off, he can, you know, like, you know, they're very, very kind, and, you know, they know we have this business, so if he needs to take off, you know, anytime he can, but he normally works that job in the morning times, Monday through Thursday, so that's why we were getting such a late start. But, and also earlier I was saying, when I was trying to tell you guys about this yard, I said, I was trying to tell you the title of the video, and I was saying the subscribers said something, but, and I was like, no, it's called The Customer Had Something to Say, but he is actually a subscriber. Like, I was thinking about that later to myself. I was like, well, you know, he is actually a subscriber too, so like, and he said he watches all of our videos, so if you're watching this, you know who you are, and hello, I hope you're doing well. I guess you're probably, you know, you're probably at work right now because we're a little bit earlier today than we have been. Today's our slower Thursday. So, yes, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so very much. We love, we love to be here and to mow this beautiful, beautiful yard. Guys, we got another lawn care person over there mowing the field across from us. Looking really...
Yeah, I think it's a Skag. It's a nice looking mower.
Yeah, it's a good mower. It's mowing really nice.
Yep.
It's got the grass looking really good. But, yeah, guys, all right. So I'm going to quit chit-chatting over here, and we're just going to get you guys set up, and I'm going to mow this yard. So, all right, guys, come on. Let's go mow. Alrighty, guys. That's a wrap on today's mowing, guys. I know, good. Yeah, it's been good. It's been short and sweet, you know. 2 yards, that's all right, you know. That's, yeah, but guys, we're thankful, you know, for however many yards we can do, you know, at any given day. But yeah, we're so thankful that you guys came along with us, because it made it so much better. And come along with us tomorrow, guys. Like, come on, we got to mow tomorrow too. We're mowing the McDonald's. It's McDonald's Friday tomorrow. So in the meantime, in between right now and you being able to watch McDonald's tomorrow, you go back and you can watch. We have plenty of videos to keep you busy in between now and then. So you just go back and you just be re-watching, okay? And you just you just keep re-thumbsing it up. I'm just kidding. I know you can't do that, guys. But yeah, we're so thankful, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, if you're not subscribed, come on. What are you doing? Like, I don't know what you're doing.
If you made it this far and you're not subscribed,
please, yeah, come on. You watch the whole thing. You know you want to see more. We mow every day. Or if we're not mowing, we're doing something, guys. I got to get home. I got to get editing. You know, I have so many videos that I have to edit. And,
that's awesome.
Oh, there he goes. Look, that's our buddy, which we don't know him, but...
he was mowing the yard.
Yeah, he was mowing across from us, and I think he might have seen our sign. I guess he probably did, because he's parked right behind us. But yeah, he did a really great job over there. He was by himself, guys. You know, that's a big yard over there. But yeah, and that's something too I've been wanting to say. You know, because a lot of people think in lawn care that it's like, because everybody always says, "Oh, well, that's something, you have so much competition." But guys, honestly, and I don't know if it goes for everyone everywhere, but for us in our community, from our experience, there is no competition, guys. You've seen.
There's more than enough grass for everybody.
Yeah, guys, you just seen what I showed you. You just seen up there. You seen around here. You seen the amount of grass that there is around here. We can't mow all that.
Mowing. There's a crew down there. There was another. I mean, there's crews everywhere.
We love each other. Yeah. Lawn care crew love. We love all of our other lawn care crews. When we see them riding around, we pray they're blessed. We pray their equipment is good. We pray they don't have any accidents.
It's a good, friendly community, man.
Yes, they help us out. You know, we have shout out to a local crew, Cut Right. Shout out to another local crew, Ricky's. Like, man, those two. They have helped us. They've been there for us, you know, time and time again, you know, and they're always super kind. And guys, there is no competition. There's nothing but love here in this lawn care community.
Yep.
And even if you're not a lawn care,
hey, we still love you.
yeah, we still love you. We got nothing but love for you. But all right, guys, so we're just gonna close out this video here and take this stuff on to the house. So all right,
it's been great.
Yep.
And until next time,
see ya.